guys, part 2.
Nag-stop. Namatay.
Set. Hanipin ko na may aso.
Masakit.
Kaya mo na amoy ka ng salt, magsasakit ilong mo.
Ay, salt. Asin.
Oh, nagpapawis ako guys. So that guys, it's not hot. Diba? Kukuha pa kami guys.
Binato niya daw ko ganina. May binato daw siya kanina.
Sumbong kita Lola Zion.
Wala na. Fake, wala na.
So guys, hindi kami nagjo-joke. Look at this.
Wala talaga.
Wala na talaga. Kinain namin yon. So, shut up. And don't talk about this. You fucking haters. Bye, mga fuck you.